Question: DS. If m plus n equals 5, what is the value of n? Condition 1. 1 is less than n, which is less than 3. Condition 2. 3 to the power of m equals 27. Solution. Now we will solve this DS question using the variable approach. DS, 2 variables and 1 equation. Question. Condition 1, 1 equation. Condition 2, 1 equation. DS question with 2 variables and 1 equation. Let the original condition in a DS question contain 2 variables and 1 equation. Now, 2 variables and 1 equation would generally require 1 more equation for us to be able to solve for the value of the variables. We know that each condition would usually give us an equation, and since we need 1 more equation to match the numbers of variables and equations in the original condition, the logical answer is D. While the answer could be A, B, or D, the default answer is D. Answering the questions is truly that simple. Let's apply the 3 steps suggested previously. Follow the first step of the variable approach by modifying and rechecking the original condition and the question. We have to find the value of n if m plus n equals 5. Follow the second and third steps. From the original condition, we have 2 variables, m and n, and 1 equation, m plus n equals 5. To match the number of variables with the number of equations, we need 1 more equation. Since conditions 1 and 2 will provide 1 equation each, D would most likely be the answer. The trademark for the variable approach is registered, and we finished filing for the patent. It means the variable approach is unique around the world. Recall 3 principles and choose D as the most likely answer. Let's take a look at each condition. Condition 1 tells us that 1 is less than n, which is less than 3. This means that n can have innumerable values, such as 1.1, 1.258, or 2.999, as the question does not say that n must be an integer. Since it is not a unique answer, this condition is not sufficient. Condition 2 tells us that 3 to the power of m equals 27. This can be written as 3 to the power of m equals 3 cubed. Dropping the bases tells us that m equals 3, which means 3 plus n equals 5, or n equals 2. Since it is a unique answer, this condition is sufficient. Condition 2 alone is sufficient, so B is the correct answer. In some cases, A or B can be the answer. However, since we have 1 variable with the original condition, D is 60% likely to be the answer. So, pick D when you run out of time or want to skip the question. The obvious answer is D if only 1 more equation is required. Answer: B.